In the world of precision engineering, there's a material that stands out for its versatility and reliability: 1215 carbon steel. At O'Hare Precision Metals, we understand the power of this exceptional material and its impact on various industries. So, what makes 1215 steel so special? With its low carbon content and high machinability, 1215 steel offers manufacturers a wide range of possibilities. Its superior machinability allows for precise shaping and intricate designs, making it ideal for applications that demand accuracy and efficiency. 1215 carbon steel finds its place in industries like automotive, aerospace, and machinery, where strength, durability, and dimensional stability are paramount. At O'Hare Precision Metals, we pride ourselves on being a trusted supplier of high-quality 1215 steel. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing processes and stringent quality control ensure that every 1215 steel product that leaves our facility meets the highest industry standards. Whether you need precision ground 1215 steel round bars, custom shapes, or specialized components, O'Hare Precision Metals has the expertise to meet your exact specification. When it comes to 1215 steel, trust the expertise and precision of O'Hare Precision Metals. Contact us today to learn more about our exceptional products and services.